Alrighty folks, we are getting closer and closer to release. I finally gotten all the bugs and the current effects worked out. So let's go take a look, shall we? Now, of course, I still have to do my the special effect for the arms. And I still have to build the prototype medic power armor. And its system of upgrades. But then we'll probably be good for release. Come here, Mr. Elevator. Also, apparently someone's been shooting at my vertibirds. Because one of them is circling us now, damaged. See, there's one of the vertibirds. Where's the other vertibird? Here it is, on fire. You know, even when you've got mods like deadly vertibirds, apparently they still catch on fire at random. Alright, let's start off with the Raider power armor. There we go. Hopping in. Hopping out.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
Raider power torso. Jetpack. Weird. I haven't put the shielded lining on this. Alright, so Raider power helmet. Headlamp. So yeah, the eyes options. I still haven't worked out how to move them around so that they'll properly glow in the helmet instead of just floating in space. I haven't worked out that yet. Let's see here. Explosive vents in their own category, separate from everything else. And this is our T-45.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
Headlamp. All damn options. Leg. Vents. Torso. Jetpack. T-51.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
Jetpack. Explosive vents. There's the photovoltaic. I'm not sure. Did I check if the photovoltaic was showing up on the other ones? Oh well. We can double check. Here are the Volt eyes. Might as well check while we're here before we move further down the line to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
Photovoltaic.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
So the photovoltaic is not showing up on the Raider armor just yet, but everything else is.
What? my back, I'll watch yours.
Oh, and we're looking at 245. X1. And in we go. Did I ever get to check out T60? Oh, T60's downstairs. Anyway. We'll do that last.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
Helmet has photovoltaic. It's not going to have the eye mod, obviously, because, well, it's already got glowing eyes. There'd be no point giving glowing eyes to something that's naturally has glowing eyes. And before anyone is asking, yes, ultimately what I would like to do is add another category which does the lamp and glowing eyes simultaneously. But one thing at a time. Vents are showing up in the legs. Torso has got the jetpack section. Now, before we look at the T60, I will mention this while we have a moment to look at it. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to separate out as its own independent external mod for the arms, because really, nothing here really strikes me as something that should have its own category, except for what I'm thinking of doing, for just so that there's something there that'll be on its own category, is actually to take the... Where is it? I think it's a torso mod. But what I'm thinking of doing is taking the Tesla coils, separating that out and putting that on as a hand mod instead of a body mod. Sort of the idea of you like having energy writhing around on your fists. So that's what I'm thinking of doing, is changing the Tesla coils to an actual fist mod. Which means you could technically have two of them. But that would give you a unique upgrade for each body part. And into the T60. And out of the T60.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
For those of you wondering about the voice is not actually part of my mod. It's from a different mod that's completely compatible with my mod and causes no conflicts whatsoever. I'm also testing compatibility with the Jetpacks Unlimited mod, which gives you like several different options for customizing jetpacks. So far it looks fine. I've spoken with the mod author. And once I'm ready to release this, he'll actually build a compatibility patch for it, because basically all he has to do is change the jetpack keywords. And that should show up in the jetpack category. Alright, so... torso. Jetpack. Left leg. No vents. And helmet. Photovoltaic. And headlamp. Eyes. And we'll give that a quick test.
Warning. Fusion power is below 25%.
There you go, folks. Not much more to talk about, is there?
There's nothing better than being boots on the
So, I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll see you all in the future.